Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study about monitoring equipment and measuring equipment and difference between them. Monitoring equipment and measuring equipment, this topic is a very basic concept of quality engineering, but most of the quality engineers, they are not well acquainted with this topic and they do not know the basic difference between monitoring equipment and measuring equipment. So be connected to Engineering at Movement channel. Friends, monitoring equipment is used to check whether the manufacturing process is running as per requirements or not. Requirements are process requirements or process parameters. When a manufacturing process is running, we have to maintain some parameters like pressure, temperature, etc. So if they will not be as per requirements, as per process specifications, they will generate products which will out of specification and which will be out of the range of their dimensions, and the product with out of the range dimensions will not be as per customer requirements, because the tolerance of the dimensions was given by customer and the specifications were decided by customer, so they will not be as per customer requirements, and product which are not as per customer requirements will be called reject. So friends, to produce good parts and to avoid production of rejected parts, we have to maintain process parameter within a range in our process. So to maintain process parameter within a range, we have to monitor process parameters, and to monitor process parameters we need some instruments, and these instruments are known as monitoring instruments. So when a production process is running, we have to maintain some parameters like pressure, temperature, etc. Like we have to maintain pressure of chiller, pressure of pump, we have to maintain temperature of chiller, etc. So that the products produced are of good quality and will be of customer specifications. And this is the point where monitoring equipments come into play. So friends, monitoring equipments monitors process parameters, and the main point to be noted is that process parameter fluctuates a lot. If we talk about a product which has been produced, its dimension will be constant because it is a physical product and it will not change its dimension. It has been produced already, and if dimensions are reject, it will be called reject, and if dimensions are okay, it will be called okay as per quality. But process parameters fluctuates when the process manufacturing process is running. So we have to monitor process parameter after every 1 hour, 2 hour, or a defined frequency, and this is where monitoring equipment is important. Measuring equipments are equipments used to measure product dimensions and their characteristics like length, width, height. So instruments like vernier caliper, height gauge, micrometer are used to measure product dimensions. These are monitoring equipment, pressure gauge and temperature gauge, and these are some measuring equipment, vernier caliper and micrometer. One point to be noted is that we conduct measurement system analysis and calibration study for measuring equipment to maintain quality of measurement process and to get correct measurements so as to avoid gauge error in our process. Same is to be done for measuring equipments also, monitoring equipments also. So we have to do measurement system analysis and calibration study for both monitoring equipment as well as measuring equipment. I hope friends you all have liked this lecture. At Engineering at Movement channel we will be bringing more lecture like this. Just subscribe our channel and please like and share our videos. Thank you.